A very good evening, Team Zimbabwe. Maswera say. My name is Ronald Makusha. And Gogo Munjeri, a CCC veteran, has been laid to rest today. And it's a very important matter for us to cover because Gogo Munjeri, according to what Advocate Fadzayi says, a heroine of the struggle. She said, today we laid to rest our beloved chain champion, Mai Munjeri. She has been in the struggle for a better Zimbabwe since 2000. She was a dedicated steward of the movement and a true champion of women. Rest in power, Mama. And as we mourn this tragic loss, it's good to understand that there are people who for the past 2 decades plus, they sacrificed their lives to the struggle. And let us take a look the celebration which was happening during the burial. So as young people, we have that mandate to make sure that we fulfill the dreams of people like Gogo Munjeri. So this is it, Team Zimbabwe. This is the update. Citizens Coalition for Change laid to rest Gogo Munjeri, a veteran of the struggle, somebody who sacrificed a lot to the struggle. My name is Ronald Makusha. Let us meet in other episodes and other broadcasts.